This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to work on playing 3 different melodies together that are written in tablature notation. These are some challenging sort of classical pieces we're going to do with a pick on the guitar, just playing the melody part. So it's going to be super, super great. We'll do it right along with drums accompaniment, which is helpful and makes it super fun. This video accompanies the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. In the book, we're going to be on pages 128 and 129, doing songs 175, 176, and 177. So we've got into the fun and challenging repertoire part of the lesson series. So we're just going to go ahead and just play these, each one at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. With number 175, it's traditionally done finger style. We've got these arpeggios with the chord. So it's really good for the coordination between the right and left hands. You're just going to want to find, as I have mentioned in previous videos where we've done ones like this, where you see each note being on a different string, you can finger sort of a chord and then you just pluck through that chord and just hold the chord shape down as long as you can. So every half measure you're going to have a chord shape you can hold down. Sometimes you can hold them down longer, but not always, and you just want to hold that down and then work on the plucking hand in the right hand. So that one's going to happen. With number 140 or 176, you've got that slur, lots of little pull-offs here. Lots of little pull-offs to watch for with those, and then even some hammer-ons. So depending on the direction that you're going, you're either going to do a pull-off or a hammer-on with that one. So you get those slurs. You can do it without the slurs and just finger all the notes and then add those in if you want to. Then, of course, with number 177, nothing strange there. You do have some spots where you can kind of hold the chords, but otherwise we just work our way through that. They're all going to be fun. Each one's going to happen at the 2 different tempos. First that slower tempo and then that faster tempo. All 3 of these happen in first position, so we don't have to worry about any shifting. We just get to go ahead and have fun playing them. So let's do it. Okay, great. As we move on in this lesson series, of course, we're just going to keep making our way through the Tablature Book. So we're going to have fun with The Entertainer, which is a super fun old song to play. We're going to do that in the next video. Take care, and I'll see you then. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.